Are you looking for ways to increase your monthly cash flow? Well, here are 3 passive income ideas that can help you do just that. Passive income seems like a dream, right? You earn revenue while doing nothing. But what is passive income? So passive income is described as income that does not come from the normal employment like a job, and it takes little to no effort to make and maintain. So the goal is to get a stable flow of cash without doing the daily commitment of a full-time job. If this is the type of content you enjoy, please like and subscribe to my channel. 1, it is free, and 2, it will be shared for women just like you. Okay? Let's get started. The first passive income idea we have is to create an online course. So online courses are another type of digital goods. Remember, we spoke about several types of digital products here already. You can catch up on these videos later on after looking at this video. Basically, with this passive income, you can do most of the work up front. You will have to record, edit, and package your course for sale. And when that's all done, basically all you have to do is send traffic or direct your followers to the direction of your course, right? So the course is only created once and with very little maintenance. So that makes it very passive. Next, we have peer-to-peer lending. So lending money to others is a great way to generate passive income. So borrowers and individual lenders are connected using an online platform instead of a bank or any other financial institution. So this type of loan can be funded by one person or several persons at the same time. Now, how do you make money from this being a lender, right? So since peer-to-peer loans come with a higher interest rate, you will have the opportunity to earn money from that. But how much you earn depends on 4 factors. 1, how much you invest. 2, the interest rate. 3, the loan terms. And 4, whether the borrowers pays back the loan. Another way to earn passive income is by renting your stuff. You can earn passively by renting out a room or a small apartment, right? So you can place an ad in Airbnb or on your own social media channel. So in my country, a large number of locals, they build with an extra apartment downstairs, right? They can rent that out and get money passively from that. So if you have an empty room, garage, or shed, you can rent that out as storage to persons. Okay, for example, some people may not have a safe place to park their car. However, if you have room, that person can pay you month by month to park his or her car in your driveway or garage. So another option is you can post an ad on a website called Fat Llama to rent out electronics, power tools, and equipment to friends and family or other people within your network and your community. So you can rent out your vehicle if you are not using it, or if you have 2 vehicles, you can rent out 1. You can easily find customers on a site called Turo. So if you want to make passive income, guys, you have to do some work up front, right? If you are ready to put in the work, watch this video on 12 digital products you can make and sell to make passive income. Okay?